Hi everybody, it's Anita again from Llewellyn Arts, and I just wanted to share something that I made just for the fun of it, and thanks to Joey DeFee. I hope I pronounced her name right. She did a tutorial a week or so ago about creating this little scrap journal. It's accordion style, and I think she did some flow stitching, it might be called, but anyway, I kind of had a hard time with this. This looked so simple, and I think it was just me. I think I was trying too hard to make my scraps fit and look right and everything, but I came out with something. I really like this. I was kind of surprised that I was going to like it that much, but all I've done is collaged on the front cover and added a definition for the word passion. And open it up, and this is some art paper that I used for cover front and back. So you could watercolor or do a drawing or whatever on there. And I hinged it with pieces of digital paper. And then you just used your scraps to collage on the pages. And there's a little bit of paper, music paper, a digital image, some washi tape here, that you can see how the progression of the lines that are stitched as you move through the journal. Those lines continue through the pages and then frame the back. So I'm just thrilled with this, but I'm going to just flip through and show you the scraps that I used, and then how I'm just fascinated at how the stitching just flows and looks so nice. And here another digital. I tried to alternate pieces that were decorative with space for journaling. And I think that worked out okay. I had a little struggle with that too. Again, some scraps that I thought could be journaled on. And here a butterfly sticker that I've had forever. I love this beautiful child image. And goes on over here. And I thought you could journal here and maybe here and here. And then when you close this up, you have the same thing on the back. I tried to stick with similar colors but reversed them a little bit. And so this is the cover. And again, the stitching goes across the paper, and you can do that any way you like. You can do zigzags or curves or curlicues, but my machine just has the basics, so this is what I ended up with. But again, I can journaling space there, and here some pieces off of some handwritten old paper. I liked that real well, that I got to use that a little bit. And you could journal here, and maybe here. And there's the back to the front page. But this all just comes in and folds up. And it would be a nice Christmas gift, a nice holiday gift, a get well type thing, or something for a craft fair. I don't know. I think it has endless possibilities. And I would love to see some Christmas ones of this. I may try one of those myself. But anyway, thanks, Joey, for the tutorial on that. I did, once I got over the challenge of it, did enjoy the whole thing and the results on it. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care of each other. Have a great day. Bye.